Hello everyone, welcome to the Canadian School of Bahrain. I'm the school principal, Abby Sadeh, and I'm going to be taking you on a school tour. We opened our doors in September 2019. We currently have grades nursery to grade 3. In our next academic year, 2020 to 2021, we'll be adding grades 4 and 5. We'll also be adding 1 to 2 grade levels each year until we reach grade 12. Our school is Canadian and we follow the British Columbia Canada curriculum. The BC curriculum teaches students using 3 core competencies, which are communication, creative and critical thinking, and personal and social responsibility. The school focuses on a student-centered approach to education. All of our homeroom teachers are British Columbia Canada certified, from kindergarten to grade 5. In every classroom, we have 2 teachers, in nursery up to grade 1. Then from grades 2 to 5, we have 1 homeroom teacher and distributed educational assistants. The main language of instruction at our school is English. Our curriculum is based on the following subjects: English language, math, science, social studies, health, music, art, career education, and physical education. We also offer Arabic language, Bahraini Arabic Social Studies, and Islamic Religious Studies. All of our classrooms are state-of-the-art smart classrooms. They have smart TVs, smart boards, or smart projectors. All of our preschool classrooms have restrooms inside the classroom and exit doors. Those exit doors are used for pickups and/or emergencies. When our students graduate, all of our students receive a British Columbia Canada high school diploma called the Dogwood Diploma and a Bahraini Tawjihi that will enable them to apply to any university around the world. We also offer health insurance to all of our students in case any accidents or emergencies happen during school hours. Our students also receive a PEN, which is a personal education number. That means they are registered in a British Columbia Canada school. This is our school clinic. We have a certified nurse that's available at all school times. This is our playground and outdoor lunch area. There are 5 building phases to our school. The elementary school is phase 1, and we're currently established on the ground floor while operating the entire building from the 2020 to 2021 school year. The first, second, and third floor will have a gym, canteen, science lab, home economics room, library, and also a football field will be ready outside. We are taking all measures as per the WHO and Bahraini Ministry of Education recommendations for reopening the school for the 2020-2021 academic year. We look forward to welcoming our students, whether it will be in class or virtually.